Okay, so I found a one-line config flag in Claude Code yesterday. Almost nobody is using it, and it makes your favorite MCP server feel instant on every single turn. It's hidden in the docs. Here it is. Quick translation. MCP, the Model Context Protocol, is how Claude Code talks to your external tools. Your database, your linter, your Notion, whatever you wired up. Here's the part most people miss. In newer Claude Code, when you have a lot of MCP servers, the model doesn't load all those tools up front. It defers them, then searches for the right tool only when it thinks it needs one. Smart for context, but that little search step adds latency on the server you actually hit every turn. And here it is, sitting in the official Claude Code MCP docs. One field on your server config. Always load. True. That's the whole hack. So here's what you do. Open mcp.json. Find your workhorse server, the one you cannot live without. Add one line. alwaysLoad : true. Restart Claude Code. Every tool from that server now loads at session start. No tool search, no waiting, just there the moment you type your prompt. For me, that meant my database, MCP, went from a noticeable beat of latency on every query to literally just answering. There's a catch, though, and the docs are very clear about it. Each loaded tool costs context. So if you slap alwaysLoad on every server you've got, you'll burn your context budget before your conversation even starts. Pick one or two servers, the ones you genuinely depend on. Not all of them. There's also a small startup cost. It blocks Claude Code until that server connects, capped at 5 seconds. And if you're the one building the MCP server, you can be even more surgical. Drop Anthropic /alwaysLoad true into a single tool's _meta object. Now just that one tool stays hot, the rest of your server's tools stay deferred. Same idea, finer grain. Useful when your server has 15 tools, but only 2 get used every conversation. One config field. No new install, no plugin, no flag at the command line. Just instant tools on the server you actually live in. If your favorite MCP has felt sluggish lately, this is probably it. We're going deep on Claude. Grow with us. Like, subscribe, comment what you think.